Most people hear about balance transfer credit cards and think it is a magic trick to erase debt. And here's the truth no one tells you. It is not free money, and if you use it the wrong way, it can actually make your situation worse. In this video, you'll understand what a balance transfer credit card is in 2026, when it is worth it, and when you should completely avoid it. Let's get straight into it. A balance transfer credit card allows you to move your existing credit card debt from one card to another, usually with a lower interest rate. Sometimes, banks even offer a 0% interest period for a limited time. So if Alex in Mumbai has a credit card debt of 40,000 rupees, he can move it to another card and temporarily reduce or even eliminate interest charges. Now here's where it gets interesting. The main goal is not to remove debt. It is to reduce interest so you can pay off debt faster. But here's the problem. Many people use balance transfers like a reset button. They transfer debt, feel relieved, and continue spending again. That leads to even bigger debt later. Now let's break it down simply. A balance transfer is worth it if three conditions are met. First, you are paying high interest on your current card. Second, you are confident you can repay the debt within the promotional period. Third, you stop using your old and new cards for unnecessary spending. For example, Jake in the US transfers $3,000 to a card offering 0% interest for 12 months. If he pays it off within that time, he saves a lot on interest. That is a smart use. But here's where it gets interesting. Most people ignore transfer fees. Many cards charge a small percentage as a fee for moving the balance. If you do not calculate that cost, you might not actually save money. Another key detail is timing. If you miss payments during the promotional period, you can lose the zero interest benefit completely. Then the interest rate can jump back to very high levels. Now, let's talk about when you should avoid it. If your income is unstable, or if you are already struggling to make minimum payments, a balance transfer might only delay the problem. In that case, focusing on a strict repayment plan is better. Also, if you think you will keep using credit cards while transferring debt, it is not a good option. That usually leads to a cycle of shifting debt without reducing it. So here is a simple rule. Use a balance transfer only if it helps you pay off debt faster, not if it just gives temporary relief. So to wrap it up, balance transfer credit cards can be powerful tools, but only when used with discipline. They reduce interest, not debt itself, and they require a clear repayment plan. If you use them correctly, you can save money and get out of debt faster. If you misuse them, you just move the problem around. If this helped you, like the video, comment your country so I can break down better debt strategies for your region, and subscribe for more simple finance guides that help you take control of your money.